Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Cash App, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start investing with Cash App, first, open the Cash App on your mobile device. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts. Tap on the Investing tab located at the bottom of the screen. If this is your first time investing, you may need to enable this feature by following the instructions provided. Next, set up your investment account if prompted. You may be required to provide some personal information for verification. Once your account is set up, explore the different investing options available. You can choose from stocks or Bitcoin based on your preference. To buy stocks, tap on the stocks option in the investing section. Search for a company or use the browse feature to find stocks you're interested in. When you find a stock, tap on it to view more details. Review the stock's performance and pricing information. To make a purchase, select the Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest in that stock. Confirm your order and review the transaction details. Once confirmed, your investment will be processed. For Bitcoin, tap on the Bitcoin option within the investing section. If it's your first time buying Bitcoin, you may need to complete additional setup. Input the amount of Bitcoin you wish to purchase. Review the current Bitcoin price and transaction fees before proceeding. Tap Buy to finalize your Bitcoin investment. Monitor your investments regularly to track their performance. You can sell stocks or Bitcoin anytime through the app if needed. Remember to always do thorough research before making investment decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.